Hello again. I just received this AEA HP Max today. I purchased last week from Bentech. He sent it out within an hour. Shipping's a whole different deal. Anyhow, I'll just do a few shots. I was just doing some groups at 34, 82, and 108 yards. Now let's just see what happens here back at the window at 34 yards. The difference with this is it was sighted in for my 59 grain, and now this is a 63 grain diabolo. I've just been casting the heck out of. I'll zoom in now. This is 34 yards, 5/8 inch. I'm gonna go two drops down from the sternum. These might be a little loud for me to be shooting at night. Not the impact. So I'm just gonna go with these heavier ones are going a little bit to the right. Bit to the right. Fratty, just wait, bud. Also, I started at 4100 PSI. I was just having really good success at. PSI down to 22, and then 22 down to 1700. Let's see if I can make this one happen. Yep. You know, I gotta say, the reason I purchased this gun was because I wanted more shots than the AEA HP Max 357, which I really enjoy, all things aside with it, but I just shot this clear down to almost 1600 PSI, and at 34 yards, 33 yards at the lower shot I was doing earlier tonight, it was smashing the heck out of the target at just about 34 yards also at another 5/8 AR 500. So it's impressive, and I have to say I'm looking forward to doing a bunch more shooting with this and working with it at longer ranges once I get my slug mold. So anyhow, I'm pretty happy about this. He sent me the nice custom stock and all that. Like, it's definitely worth the money. I'm surprised with the quality compared to my experience with the HP Max 357 initially, but everything got worked out. Thank you.